hate snow.
We're Anna and Steven. After leaving Alaska in September of 2019 with our 4 kids, we moved to Las Vegas, Nevada. Though the weather change has been so nice to us and we were just starting to climatize to it, 2020 had other plans for us. After COVID affected us emotionally, mentally, and financially, much like the rest of the world, and the schools shut down, I started homeschooling the kids, and Steven went back to the trucking business. And to make ends meet, the kids and I tagged along. Over the last 9 months, we have been working while traveling across the U.S. with our 4 kids. We've made the best of an unfortunate situation and have been blessed to be safe and healthy and to be able to see almost all of the United States in 2020. After traveling through 42 of the 50 states, we decided we wanted to start documenting our travels and share our experiences. Our travel goal for 2021 is to remain safe and healthy and also to visit the remaining 8 states and take pictures with all of the state signs and revisit the other states to explore all that they have to offer us.
Hey guys, so we just got done switching trailers out here in California where you left off at the last time. I ended up dropping my double drop or my low boy and picked up a step deck. So we're gonna be heading right now to our first stop out in Anaheim, California. So we'll see you guys when we get there.
Steven is currently tarping our load right now. It's rainy and super windy outside. I'm gonna get my jacket on and go and help him. He said, go help Daddy.
Where did Daddy go?
Daddy went to go work. Say bye.
Bye.
Oh, hey, didn't see you there. So we just finished with our last pickup. We just got it tarped and strapped. It's starting to rain, so we're getting ready to get on the road and see how far we can get tonight.
So we're getting ready to take off. And we saw some. It started raining. Look, Mama, it's hailing. Yeah? You feel it? We made it home.
It's cold out.
It's cold. It's freezing.
All right, on our way to Vegas.
Day 2.
We made it to Arizona. We made it to Utah.
1 eternity later.
So after we stopped through Vegas, day before yesterday, we ended up running all night through Salt Lake City and made it into Wyoming last night. And now we're stopped at a pilot right outside of Evanston, Wyoming. Our next stop is going to be South Dakota.
We made it to South Dakota, our 44th state. Yay! We made it! Oh, it's so cold.
Minnesota. 7 a.m. and it's time to get unloaded. Well, I didn't get any shots of them taking it off, but I unwrapped it. It's early. They got it off. Now I got a retard, so just part of the job, I guess. And then after this, we're off to the northeast to go kick off another piece. So that'll be fun.
So after our first stop, we were headed to our second stop. We're about like 30 minutes away. I fell asleep.
Like 28 minutes, yeah.
Took a little nap. I woke up because Steve had to suddenly stop.
Yeah, I couldn't see out my window. I had ice all over my wipers and my windshield. Snowing
I woke
hard.
up to this crazy storm that came out of nowhere. Don't look like it right now. We was in the truck. It was full of snow and ice.
It's full of snow right now. All right, come on. Go. Before it starts getting worse. Oh, I hate snow.
Hey guys. So we didn't make it out of the storm. We drove about a mile up the road and we stopped at a hotel for the night. Didn't want to risk it. Ordered some food. We're gonna get dinner.
And then we're going to the pool.
And then we're gonna go to the pool. I was ready for the pool.
I can eat. We'll see you at the pool. Bye.
Meanwhile.
So we're heading into Chicago right now to go get our load off our back. We're going to get empty and see what they got next for us. Then after that, who knows where we're going, so stay tuned.